From the bustling streets of Mumbai to the thriving tech hubs of Sao Paulo, emerging markets are making noise on the global stage. But with great potential comes great risks. Welcome to the 2023 Spotlight on Emerging Markets. Hello everyone! Today we're going to explore the exciting mix of possibilities and obstacles that come with emerging markets in 2023. So let's jump right in. Emerging markets, also known as EMs, are countries that are moving from having lower incomes to becoming more economically developed. And this year, some of these countries are really standing out. The growth in places where things are made, like factories, the technology industry, and the expanding middle class has turned these nations into attractive places for investments. But before we go any further, let's talk about the chances and positive aspects. Opportunities. The global economic stage is currently adorned with a constellation of emerging markets, each sparkling with promises of growth and innovation. These markets, transitioning from their low-income status towards the middle-income echelon, offer a spectrum of potential rewards. Let's embark on a deeper exploration of the opportunities that these markets unfurl. 1. Economic growth. The growth trajectories of numerous emerging markets are nothing short of awe-inspiring. Often outpacing the growth rates of their developed counterparts, these markets present a compelling case for high-yield returns. The allure of robust GDP growth has captivated investors worldwide, who see these markets as fertile grounds for capital infusion. Countries such as Vietnam, with its flourishing manufacturing sector and burgeoning tech scene, showcase how emerging markets can lead the growth charge on the global stage. 2. Digital expansion. The digital revolution is sweeping through emerging markets with vigor and vitality. These nations are adopting technological advancements at an astonishing pace, creating digital ecosystems that beckon tech-savvy investors. From e-commerce to fintech and beyond, the technological leap in these markets is akin to discovering gold in a digital mine. Look no further than Indonesia's e-commerce giant Tokopedia or Nigeria's thriving tech startup scene for proof of the digital gold rush in emerging markets. 3. Consumer dynamics. The rise of the middle class in emerging markets is a crescendo of economic transformation. With an amplifying purchasing power, these consumers are orchestrating a symphony of demand for an array of products and services. This newfound appetite is reshaping industries, propelling sectors like fast-moving consumer goods, entertainment, and healthcare to new heights. In sub-Saharan Africa, the surge in consumer demand for telecommunications and mobile services paints a vivid picture of the expanding market landscape. Risks. Amidst the dazzling opportunities, the landscape of emerging markets is speckled with potential pitfalls that necessitate prudent navigation. A seasoned investor understands that with great potential comes significant risk. Let's illuminate some of the critical risks lurking in these promising terrains. 1. Political uncertainties. The political stability of emerging markets is a mixed palette. While some countries offer robust political landscapes conducive to business, others are riddled with uncertainties that can disrupt operations and dent investor confidence. The Arab Spring upheavals and the repercussions on businesses in affected countries stand as stark reminders of how political volatility can cast a shadow on investments. 2. Currency and financial volatility. Emerging markets often dance to the tunes of currency fluctuations and financial instability. The intricate choreography of global financial markets can sway the value of currencies in these markets, impacting the returns of foreign investments. The Brazilian real's roller coaster ride in recent years serves as a vivid example of how currency volatility can render investment gains fleeting. 3. Infrastructure and regulatory challenges. Navigating the seas of emerging markets can sometimes feel akin to sailing through uncharted waters. Inadequate infrastructure and capricious regulatory changes can transform business ventures into challenging endeavors. From India's infrastructure gaps to Russia's evolving regulations, these hurdles can inflate costs and hinder business growth. In the heart of the juxtaposition of opportunities and risks, seasoned experts share insights that illuminate the path for aspiring investors. Expert 1. Diversification is key. The principle of diversification, championed by investment luminaries like Harry Markowitz, underscores the importance of spreading investments across multiple markets. This strategy acts as a shield against the potential shocks that can reverberate through any individual market. The rationale here is simple. By not putting all your eggs in one basket, you're safeguarding your investments against the vulnerabilities of a single market's fluctuations. The wisdom particularly shines when entering the intriguing yet unpredictable terrain of emerging markets. The diversification strategy serves as a vital tool in managing risk and ensuring a balanced portfolio that can withstand the inherent uncertainties of these dynamic markets. Expert 2. On-ground perspective matters. Within the toolkit of every investor, there exists a sage piece of advice: maintain a continuous connection with the ground reality. The unique quirks of each emerging market demand a tailored and nuanced approach. What might achieve soaring success in one country could falter in another due to the intricate interplay of cultural norms, economic landscapes, and diverse regulatory frameworks. These differences can be gauged from a distance. They require an intimate understanding that only comes from being on the ground, interacting with the local population, and grasping the pulse of the market. This level of localized insight can delineate the boundaries between accomplishment and setback, propelling investors toward educated decisions that align with the nuanced dynamics of each market. As we gaze upon the kaleidoscope of opportunities presented by emerging markets, it's crucial to embrace a dual perspective, one that perceives the vibrant hues of potential while also acknowledging the shadowy outlines of risks. The orchestra of economic growth, digital transformation, and shifting consumer dynamics plays in harmony with the dissonant notes of political uncertainties, currency fluctuations, and regulatory hurdles. The journey through these markets is one of balance, requiring the investor's discerning eye and strategic wisdom to orchestrate a symphony of success. So, as we step forward into these exciting frontiers, let's remember that while the song may be exhilarating, it's the careful conductor who ensures it remains harmonious to the very end. In conclusion, the year 2023 paints a vivid canvas for emerging markets, vibrant with potential and promise. However, as with any investment endeavor, success in these markets hinges on a foundation of meticulous research, in-depth understanding, and strategic foresight. The kaleidoscope of opportunities, from economic growth and digital expansion to evolving consumer dynamics, beckons forth the intrepid investor. Yet, navigating this captivating landscape demands more than mere enthusiasm. It requires the astute application of wisdom, shaped by an awareness of the risks that may lurk in the shadows. A successful foray into emerging markets necessitates strategic planning. Every informed decision-making contributes to the masterpiece of a diversified portfolio, guarded against the unexpected twists that might emerge. So, with the stage set and the curtain drawn on the dynamic world of emerging markets, the question remains: are you ready to embark on this exhilarating journey? Armed with knowledge, insights, and a strategic compass, the potential to shape tomorrow's success stories awaits. For continued guidance and in-depth analysis, stay tuned to Market Matters Media. Remember to engage by liking, sharing, and subscribing, ensuring you're armed with the latest insights to navigate the ever-evolving terrain of emerging markets. As the adventure unfolds, seize the opportunities, mitigate the risks, and craft your narrative of triumph in the world of investment.